In Ashley City, the courtroom is tense as a couple finalizes their divorce settlement. Judge listens carefully as gold, cash, and personal property are divided between husband and wife. Every detail matters. Fairness, clarity, and agreement are the order of the day.
Right, what are those? Sure.
Good morning, Your Honor. We have the agreement to announce, subject to Your Honor's approval.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
The session begins with an announcement of the agreement, subject to the judge's approval. Mr. Garner and the lawyers worked meticulously to resolve all motions regarding gold, silver, cash, and personal property. The couple's cooperation is crucial, and the judge ensures every term is clearly understood before moving forward.
This disposes of several motions today. Mr. Garner and I have worked hard to reach a settlement, and this disposes of all the motions regarding gold, silver, cash, and personal property. There's an addendum A attached to the order, and that is regarding the distribution of personal property. With the exception of that addendum A, the husband shall receive a long bench at the marital residence and a desk belonging to his late first wife.
Specific allocations are announced. The husband receives a long bench and a desk from his late first wife, while both parties retrieve personal property listed in Addendum A. The judge emphasizes clarity, ensuring no confusion arises over who receives what and when the items will be collected.
Husband shall retrieve his personal property, which is listed in the Addendum A, and the additional two items on November 15th at the marital residence at 2834 Mosley Ferry Road in Ashley City. Husband shall be awarded all the silver contained in the home safe. Parties shall equally divide or...
Next comes the division of gold and cash. Wife receives 11 gold bars, husband 10. And each receives $30,000 in cash from the bank lockbox. The courtroom remains focused as the parties prepare to physically retrieve the items, highlighting the importance of precise execution and legal.
They will divide the gold as follows. Wife shall be awarded 11 bars of gold. Husband shall be awarded 10 bars of gold. They are going to leave immediately after this announcement. Oh, okay. And they will...
Ms. Myers realizes that the judge is not that great at hearing, so she wants to make sure that I can hear what you're saying.
I apologize, Judge. Thanks for my colleague to help me out today. The parties immediately following this announcement will be traveling to United Community Bank, where the gold is held, and wife shall be awarded 11 bars of gold. Husband shall be awarded 10 bars of gold. The parties will also be dividing the cash that's located at the lockbox at United Community Bank immediately following the announcement. They will be equally dividing the cash. Wife shall receive $30,000 in cash. Husband shall receive $30,000.
The judge also addresses remaining post-divorce matters, like accounts at Raymond James and Quadro, ensuring that all issues are either resolved or actively being worked on. Lawyers confirm the agreement accurately represents the parties' wishes, reinforcing the role of clear communication in legal proceedings.
With regard to all post-divorce matters, this resolves all matters with the exception of a Raymond James account and a Quadro, and the parties are actively working to resolve that issue. The parties shall pay their own attorney fees and any discretionary expenses. And I believe that concludes our agreement, unless Mr. Garner would like to add.
That's an accurate representation order that we're going to present, Your Honor.
All right, then those parties are in agreement. you have an order that you've prepared actually, or?
Yes, sir.
We'll submit that order.
Thank you.
Finally, the judge confirms that each party will pay their own attorney fees and discretionary expenses. This moment shows that even in a tense divorce, fairness and procedure guide the court's decisions. The parties prepare to leave, their financial matters now resolved, a small yet significant victory for both sides.
All right, I've signed your order. Thank
Thank
you.
you, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
As the gavel falls, the settlement is official. Gold, cash, and personal property are divided fairly, disputes resolved, and both parties move forward. In this courtroom, clarity, fairness, and cooperation prevail, turning a stressful day into an organized resolution.